Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you exactly how to upload your YouTube video the right way so you can get more views and better results. A lot of creators don't realize this. How you upload your video really affects your click, it affects your impression, and it affects even how fast YouTube starts to recommend your videos. So if you've been posting, you're not seeing any result, you're not seeing growth, this might be the reason why you've not been growing on YouTube. It might be the reason why your YouTube has not been recommending your content on YouTube. Now, before I show you my screen, let me clear up this big myth. Posting with your YouTube app does not reduce your views. Either you're posting from the web or you're posting with the app, it doesn't affect your views. You can still get amazing results either with the app, with your laptop, or on the web. Yes. What really matters is not the device, it is how you optimize your whole content. Let me walk you through. So there, I'll be showing you how to upload your YouTube videos the right way in order for you to get more views and grow on YouTube. Step 1, start uploading your videos the right way. When you click on this plus icon, you select your video. Do not rush. Add your title, add your description. If you're not ready to fill in the description and all of that yet, that's fine. The important part is visibility. Most creators make the mistake of uploading directly to public, and that's why they miss out on optimization. YouTube post it immediately without giving you time to adjust anything. Instead, set your video to private. Once the video is on private, only you can see it, or you set it on unlisted. Only people with the link will be able to view it. Setting it on private or unlisted gives you a calm space to add everything correctly, your description, your title, and all of that. And it's also give YouTube privilege to go through what you are about to post and know where to direct your content to. It gives enough room for the algorithm to know who to push your videos to and who really needs your videos. Once your video is set to private, now go into your YouTube studio. You go into your YouTube studio. This is where the real magic happens. Your YouTube studio. Here you can fix your title, add your description, add your hashtags, select or you create the right thumbnail, or if you already have one, just upload it. If you already have one, just upload it there. Then also put the video in the right playlist. Play around your tags. This way that matches your video so that YouTube will understand what that particular content is all about. You can even leave the video on private for a few hours to a few days to give you the time to properly analyze your video before going public. That's who push your videos to. And you create the right thumbnail. If you already have it, you can just upload it directly on here. Just upload it. You can create a thumbnail using Canva. In my next video, I'll be showing you how to create a thumbnail, like a customized thumbnail from scratch. But if you already have it created on your phone, just upload it directly at this particular point. Then the next step is you have to pay attention to your analytics. One of the most important things inside YouTube Studio is the impression click-through rate. It's your analytics to know how your video, your content is really performing. If YouTube tells you are doing a great job, that people are tending to watch your videos, that means your thumbnail and your title are really, really working. Another thing to watch out for is your traffic source. Where is your traffic source coming from? Ideally, your views should come from YouTube itself. Ideally, your views should come from YouTube recommendation, nowhere else. But if your views are mostly from WhatsApp or other social media network shares, it means YouTube hasn't really fully picked up your video yet. So avoid sharing your video immediately. Give YouTube the time to understand what your content is all about, to understand what your video is all about, to test it first before you start sharing your videos outside of YouTube. When recommendations start increasing, that's when the channel begins to grow. When YouTube start to recommend your videos to people, that is when your channel begins to grow. Another thing to pay attention to is your analytics. Your analytics, this is one of the most important things inside your YouTube studio. The impression people have on your content, the click-through rate. If you've watched this video up until this point and you've not subscribed, do well to click on that subscribe button to join this amazing community and enjoy the benefits and enjoy the perks of being a member of this particular community. Now, let's continue. After you've added your thumbnail, you've added your title, you've added your description, you've added your tags and everything. You can now change the visibility from private to public, then you publish it. Doing it this way helps the video goes out fully optimized and ready to perform, because the algorithm YouTube had already gone through your content, had already seen what the content is all about, has already known where to send your content to. So this really helps. Put at the back of your mind, it doesn't matter where you're uploading your YouTube videos from, either from the app, either from Chrome, anywhere, both work perfectly well. What matters is how well you prepare your video before making it public, how well you set up your videos before making it public. If you follow all the process, if you follow all the steps, you will start noticing real improvement in your views. You start noticing your views and your overall growth, YouTube growth and performance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget, share, leave a comment and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.